In today's lesson, tiri kuita this particular question. It is taken from a November 2003 paper. It's SIMSEC O-Level Additional Mathematics. So it's going to be, to some extent, easier since it was written by ordinary level students, yet isusu we are advanced level pure mathematics students. But this question is very necessary in that it is going to reinforce the basics, fundamental principles which we have learned for sequences and series. So we are going to start with 2A, November 2003. Saka, the first step we have to do is to understand the question. So we have to read the question attentively. And as we read, we have to write down what the question is actually saying. So 2A iri kuti the 8th term of an arithmetic progression is 150 and the 53rd is minus 30. Determine part 1, part 2. Saka from the question alone, taudzwa kuti the 8th term of an arithmetic progression. So this is an arithmetic progression. Saka mumusoro medu munofanirwa kutanga kutoringa maformulas atakadzidza under arithmetic progression. The 8th term kureva kuti U8 of an arithmetic progression is equal to 150 and the 53rd kureva kuti U53 ndokuti 53rd is equal to minus 30. Determine the first term and the common difference kureva kuti A na D, then the number of terms whose sum is 0. So before we go anywhere, what we should know firstly is the nth term formula yacho imbori chi. So the nth term of an arithmetic progression is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. This is going to be a fundamental formula which is going to help us throughout this question. The nth term equates to A plus n minus 1 D. Then tadai so takuda kuchigadzira two equations which are going to help us find the first term and also the common difference. Saka my equations atoda kugadzira nde aya. Ngatitangei neequation number 1 from U8 is equals to 150. Saka we don't know the first term, so tichangoti A plus then mu bracket munomu n anenge 8. Since panapa pakanzi un is equal to isusu tiri kuweka ya U8. Saka panapa teta kuti chi 8 minus 1 times D. This is equal to chi 150 like this. Let us solve it a little. A plus 8 minus 1 is 7. So A plus 7D is equal to 150. Equation number 1. Like that. So let us do equation number 2. Yatinenge tichinyora say. So let me do this. So equation number 2 yedu tinenge chitanga na A watsiri kuziva tovatati plus n d 53, so it's 53 minus 1 multiplying D. This should be equal to minus 30. Kureva kuti A plus 53 minus 1 d 52. 52D is equal to minus 30. And this is going to be our equation number 2. Saka since tine two equations, equation 1, equation 2, takukwanisa kusolve my equations aya simultaneously. So let me write them down and let me employ a different color this time. So equation yedu 1, it's A plus 7D is equal to 150. Equation 1. Equation 2 yedu, it's A plus 52D is equal to minus 30. Equation 2. So there are many ways of solving this. You can use the method of elimination. You eliminate A, you calculate D, then you use D to find A. you can use the method of substitution, and where you make a subject of formula and substitute it into the other equation. In introduction, this method, I want to make a the subject of formula in both equations. Kureva kuti nchati a is equal to 150 minus 7d. This is still equation 1, just rewritten. Then equation 2 ngechiti a is equal to minus 30 minus 52d. Equation 2. Then I'm going to use transitivity. So transitivity, note if a is equal to b and a is equal to c, then c will be equal to b. So kana a are equal to 150 minus 7d, a zvakare are equal to minus 30 minus 52d, zvinoreva kuti 150 minus 7d inofanirwa kuva equal to minus 30 minus 52d. Saka panapa I'm going to be calculating d. Question yangu iri kuda the first term and common difference. So that is what I'm going to be calculating. Okay, let us do the calculation. Saka panapa, let us also demarcate pano. Saka zvatichaita apa ndeizvi. Let us solve this. So let me use another color again. So it's 150 minus 7d, which is equal to minus 30 minus 52d. So the y is akuendesa minus 52d kuside uku. Ive 52d minus 7d is equal to minus 30 ngairambe iri uku, then 150 ngaende uku yova futi minus 150 like this. Saka minus 52d zvayaenda uku yasvika iri positive 52d, then 150 yanga iri positive zvayauya uku yasvika iri negative. Saka tikati 52 subtracting 7 kuti tiwane 45d is equal to, then tikati minus 30 minus 150 tinowana minus 180 like that. So tikadivide both sides na 45, ndiri kushandisa calculator by the way, d inenge iri equal to chi. Saka panapa teta kuti minus 180 dividing 45, what are we going to get? Tinowana minus 4. Saka our common difference d is equal to minus 4. Ndo yatiri kuwana. Then taona kuti d are equal to minus 4, we can elect any equation kuti itibatsire kuwana kuti a anenge ambori chi. So I'm going to take equation 2. Equation 2 yakanzi chi? Yakanzi a plus 52d is equal to minus 30. Saka d ndi minus 4. A plus 52 multiplying minus 4 is equal to minus 30. What is 52 times minus 4? So in my calculator, it's minus 208. So panapa it's a minus 208 is equal to minus 30 like that. Kureva kuti a iri equal to 208 subtracting 30. So what is 208 subtracting 30? A should be equal to 178 like that. Saka zvinge zvatobuda like this. Of course, you can verify your answers to see if they are correct, but verifying your answer is something you do kana matopedza kunyora everything and you just want to make sure your answers are correct. So how can we actually verify that? How can we verify if our answers are correct? So one way of doing that nde ino ishi. Taudzwa kuti the 8th term ndiani, saka tika nyora our sequence up to the 8th term, ikabuda iriyo yataudzwa ne question, zvoreva kuti our answer is correct. But izvi zvinoitwa later. It's not like zvinonzi zviite. So let us just put down a small proof. We want to prove our answer. So this is more like a proof. So let us do the proof tuone. So our first term A the 178, but 178 we must add -4, and kureva kuti in essence we are just going to subtract 4 from it kuti tuone kuti the second term inenge iri 174. We do the same to 174 toenda pana 170 toramba tichidaro. That's now 166. Satoda kusvika pa the 8th term. Apa proofing iyi tiri kungoita kuti muone kuti awanza iri correct here kana kuti haisi. But this is not something you are expected to do test. Actually it's time wasting. Saka tikati 166 minus 4, which is our common difference. That's 162 minus 4, 158. Some terms edu amangani 1 2 3 4 5 6, all right, minus 4, 154, and minus 4 it's 150. So the 8th term according to kaproof kedu is 150. Tikadzokera question kunoku yatotiudza kuti the 8th term of an arithmetic progression is 150. Kureva kuti answer yedu iri correct for both A and also for D. Okay, you have any questions? Don't hesitate to use the comment section or contact us on our numbers directly. Let us go to the second part of this question. So let us look at part B. Please, I'm sorry, in my background panembwero kukura, so maybe please just bear with me so that we can finish this question. So the sum of an infinite geometric progression is 150. Given that the common ratio is 0.8, calculate those things. Saka, let us put down what we are told. Taudzwa kuti the sum of an infinite geometric progression, kureva kuti sum to infinity is equal to 500, like that. So given that the common ratio anova r is equal to 0.8, calculate part 1, the first term. So let us calculate the first term. How do we calculate the first term? Kutanga, what is the formula for sum to infinity? So sum to infinity of a geometric progression is equal to a over 1 minus r. That is what sum to infinity is equal to. So this formula is going to be handy. Mufonga kuisiva ish formula A. Okay. Saka let us now apply this formula. Tirikuti A over 1 minus r is equal to 500, of which A yatsikuisiva do yatunzi calculate. So it's A over 1 minus, but r tirikuziva kuti ndi 0.8. This is equal to 500, like that. So what is this going to be? A over, what is 1 minus 0.8? So 1 subtracting 0.8 inenge 0.2. So A over 0.2 is equal to 500. If we cross multiply, zvongoreva kuti A is now multiplying 500 times what? 0.2. What answer do we get for A? Saka 0.2 multiplying 500, the answer is actually 100. Kureva kuti A is equal to 100. That is the answer for part 1. Mapaona, that is the answer for part 1. So I think A is actually straightforward. That's why it's 2 marks. Kurauti should be done under 2 minutes or under 3. Let us look at part 2, irikuda the 20th term. That's our part 2. So let's do part 2 with a different color. The 20th term. So kana ichida the 20th term, what does it mean? Zvoreva kuti tiri kutsvaga U20. Saka kuti titsvage the 20th term, the first thing we should know, kana kuti we should appreciate, what is the nth term kana tiri kugeometric progression. The nth term is given by the formula AR to the power n minus 1. That is the formula for the nth term. And this formula is going to be handy in our calculation. The formula for the nth term. So, how are we going to apply this formula? Chatiri kuda isusu, tiri kuda the 20th term. So the 20th term inenge equal to, what is A? A inoreva first term yatacalculator to be 100, multiplying, what about R? Is the common ratio yatapiwa to be 0.8 to the power n minus 1, which is 20 minus 1. Saka, the 20th term inenge equal to 100 multiplying 0.8, 20 minus 1, that's 19. So let us put this into our calculator. 100 is multiplying 0.8, but 0.8 inenge iri raised to the 19th power. Saka answer yatiri kuwana panapa, let me assume 3 decimal places inenge equal to 1.441 to 3 decimal places. This is the answer yandiri kuwana for the 20th term. But does this answer make sense? Let us just do a small proof. Of course, hatingarambi tichidzika kusvikira to the 20th term tingaita usiku hwese tichidaro. But it makes sense in the sense A indi 100. Tikati 100 times 0.8 anditika tinoona kuti tinge tana 80, that's our second term, times 0.8 tana 64, times 0.8 tana 51.2, and so forth. Saka patinozosvikawo ku the 20th term tinenge taanechi ne a decimal fractional number, and in our case to 3 decimal places it's 1.441. Saka chakakosha kuziva maformula edu nekugona kumashandisa. Kuziva maformulas nekugona kumashandisa, that is that which is the most important. So let us now do part 3. But for part 3 I'm going to clear the board, so make sure kuti manzwisisa zvatanyora apa. I want to clear the board so that munonyatsokuona kuti tinoita sei. Part 3. Part 3 iri kuti the least number of terms of the progression whose sum exceeds 499. Let us understand this intuitively. Let us understand this commonly, using common sense. Zviri kunzi, tikuda the least number of terms. Saka tikutsvaga n, since n ari anorepresent a number of terms of the progression whose sum exceeds 499. Saka the least number of terms yekuti tika add ma terms acho, handika sum yacho ino exceeda 499. How many terms do we need? So denotanga tichiita this thing, tichiita ndingati like literally. Zvoreva kuti tanga tichitora our sequence, which is 100, 80, 64, 51.2 and so forth. Saka kuri kuti tai add 100 plus 80 plus 64 plus 51.2 plus and so forth. Todaziva kuti matems mangani atinofanirwa kuadda kuti sum yacho kana kuti total yacho idarike chi 499. So ngatitiita adda awo 4 ataisapo. That's 100 plus 80 and plus 64 plus 51.2 tinowana 295. Hatisati tatosvika kuchi 499. So let us now do the calculation, and then patichazama kuita proof our calculation ndo patichaona kuti zvinofamba sei. Okay, saka our calculation panapa, let us look at what we are given. Zvandanyora izvo zvanga zviri kukuratidzai zvazvinoreva kweseni yedu iri kumborevei. Iko zvino izvi, let us now do the calculation. The least number of terms. Saka tricky rapa, most people would assume that we are dealing with inequalities. We are not dealing with inequalities. You are not going to treat this as an inequality. The least number of terms of the progression whose sum exceeds 499. Saka tichada kuziva kuti sum of n for a GP, geometric progression, is given by which formula? It is given by a multiplying 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. This is the formula which is going to be handy. Now, how are we going to apply this formula? Tichati, we need the sum of n whose sum is going to be 499. Because look at the question, the least number of terms of the progression whose sum exceeds 499. Saka patiri kuedda terms in the sequence, in the progression, tiri kuda number diki diki yematerms. Matems mangana tinoedda kuti anobva atodarika 499. So kuti tikwanise kuansa question iyi, question iyi takaiansa on one of our practice questions. So if you makatarisa the first 4 practice questions, you are going to find a similar question. The sum of n is equal to 499. This is where we begin. Tichati sum of n is equal to 499. Kuti tiwane the least number of terms yekuti tikama edda anotipa a sum of 499. I'm feeling insufficient of myself. I don't know if I have explained this sufficiently well. I hope I did. Trikuda the least number of terms n ekuti tikama edda chatipa 499. Ta eddawo tikatona chitipa 295.2. Asi taona kuti the 20th term inenge yatova 1.44 something. Saka matems atichafangwa kuedda anenge akati 1 day. So let us now apply this. A wedu tamcalculator taona kuti anenge ari 100. Then 1 subtracting r taudzwa kuti 0.8, n atisukumuziva to the power n over 1 minus 0.8. This should be equal to 499. So we have to solve that equation. Now let me create space for us to do our working properly. So let me also put a boundary here so that tinowana more space to work. Saka, this is the formula we want to solve. Let me solve it a little. So it's 100, 1 minus 0.8 to the power n over 1 minus 0.8 into 0.2. This is equal to 499. Cross multiply. It becomes 100. 1 minus 0.8 to the n is equal to, what is 499 times 0.2? Tinoanachi 99.8. Like that. So Truguda, I hope by now you know that atikwanise ku remove my brackets, because atikwanise ku multiply 100 times 0.8 to the power n. Saka what we can do here is to divide kuside kuno kuna 100 kuti 100 ayachekane, zvataita ku left tozviita futi kuchi ku right. kureva kuti tichasara tina 1 minus 0.8 to the power n is equal to, what is 99.8 dividing 100? Tinoona 0.998 like that. So takuchiendesa 0.8 iri negative kuside uku kuti ive positive, so chinjana ma positions kureva kuti 1 minus 0.998 is equal to 0.8 to the power n. So what is 1 minus 0.998? Tunaona kuti ndichi 0.002 is equal to 0.8 to the power n. Asi kuti tiburutse n from being a power to being a multiplier, tinofanirwa kuintroduce natural logarithm ln inandomti ln. Saka tikaintroduce natural logarithm ku right, tinoita the same ku left. Then n unowu toziva kuti by rules of logarithms anogona kuuya kuside kunoku. Saka ichabva yava ln of 0.002 is equal to n ln of 0.8. Tudasara na n, saka tia divide kunoku na ln of 0.8 uko na ln of 0.8. Kureva kuti n iri equal to ln of 0.002. Let me put in my calculator. Ln of 0.002, and this is going to be dividing ln of 0.8. ln of 0.8. Answer yatiri kuwana, it's 27.850.269.756.04. But since iri n number of terms, it cannot be decimal or fractional, saka we round upwards. Kureva kuti 27.8 tengeta kuti n approximates kana kuti n is equal to 28. That is going to be our answer. Saka pakusolve apa nekuzointroduce ln kana kuti ln kana kuti natural logarithm, ndinokumbirisawo kuti mupacherechedze kuitira kuti musazoita mistakes ipapo. So ndo basa ratanga tinaro amani shamwari. I hope ma understand. Kana musina munogona kutifunza pa namba dzedu dzandiri kunyora pasi idzi +263 71 521 3310. Asi kana muri muZimbabwe, there's no need yekushandisa +263. You just use 071 521 3310. Thank you. Uye muve neswara rakanaka.